Siento que no sé cómo empezar. Quizás soltando la.
Hello everyone, it's good to see you. My name is Kit Tan. Welcome to the channel. I am in Bangkok, Thailand. And in this video, we are heading over to one of these very old historical coffee shop just right at this downtown of Bangkok. This is not one of the regular or a popular coffee shop, but this is one of a very old traditional coffee shop that is still open up to today. So we're going to take a look inside this Nam Heng Li coffee shop. So we're going to check out some coffee. We're going to have a toast break over at this old traditional Thai Chinese style coffee shop here in Bangkok. So join me. We are going to head over inside the Nam Heng Li coffee shop right now. So this is how the exterior, the frontage of the Nam Heng Li coffee shop looks like. So take a look at the old buildings here. One of the very old traditional architectural shops over here. So we're going to head inside from here, and you can see this is a simple coffee shop, a simple and unassuming old coffee shops right over here in Bangkok. So this is how the interior of this Nam Heng Li coffee shop looks like. Take a look at the old stools here and the old tables. So these are some of the old stools that are still being kept and used for this coffee shop here, this old coffee shop. So one of a few remaining old style traditional Thai Chinese coffee shop over here in Bangkok. I'm going to check out the coffee, the black coffee, as well as the toast bread over here at this Nam Heng Li coffee shop. This is the black coffee that I have ordered, the iced black coffee over at this Nam Heng Li coffee shop. So let's check out this iced black coffee here. So this is the iced black coffee, the traditional Thai iced black coffee. That's refreshing. It's not too bitter. So I ordered this one here without the sugar, but it's not bitter. And it's not really strong, but that's refreshing. An nice traditional Thai style black coffee. So this is the iced black coffee, the traditional Thai iced black coffee. That's refreshing. It's not too bitter. So I ordered this one here without the sugar, but it's not bitter. And it's not really strong, but that's refreshing. A nice traditional Thai style black coffee. This coffee here, this iced black coffee here wouldn't be complete without this toast bread. This is the toast bread with the pandan custard. So let's check out this toast bread here with the pandan custard over at this Nam Heng Li coffee shop. So take a look at the texture of the toast bread and the pandan custard. I'm going to check out this one here, the toast bread with the pandan custard. So I'm going to spread the pandan custard on this toast bread here. So this is the pandan custard. Check out this small piece of the toast bread with the pandan custard. So let's check out this piece of the toast bread with the pandan custard. Now this toast bread is crispy on the edge, on the outside, and soft on the inside. The pandan custard, that's really flavorful. Has a very strong pandan taste to it. It's sweet. It's definitely savory. So I'm going to have another piece there. Now that's definitely crispy though. It's sweet, it's savory. The pandan custard there is really flavorful. And the pandan or the toast bread with the pandan custard wouldn't be complete without this ice cold coffee. That's very refreshing. One of the experience, one of the very old traditional Thai Chinese style coffee shop over here in Bangkok. So please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you very much for your support. For those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for notifications of more of my upcoming videos. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much everyone for watching. I will see you in my next video.
What I wouldn't give for one more day, just one more day with you, so you and I can do